Guys, what's up? Back in the garage again, and gonna go over this 2054cc VW motor here. I got the Ron Loomis Rev 6 clutch, the infamous JPM heads. Notice the 5 bolts on the rocker arms, they're pretty nice. Cosworth style intake ports. 48 by 38 intake valve is a 48 millimeter, exhaust is a 38 millimeter. Really nice stuff. Got his camshaft and lifters. Can't wait. I gotta tear the motor apart to put that stuff in, so stay tuned for that. 94 millimeter pistons and cylinders with a 74 millimeter crankshaft. The crankshaft is the Scat. This is a nice one. It was $1,000. If you know which model that one is, please put it in the comments. I forgot. The rods are Scat H-beam. They're longer rods, custom length Century cylinders. Have the Wiseco pistons in there. Just been saving money buying parts for this motor for a long time. Yeah, it's gonna be a beast. Racewear head studs. Those are pretty nice. Hold everything together. I have a windage tray in there. Let me think. Oh, the case is shuffle pinned as well on the main bearings, and also the oil squirters in there on all 4 cylinders to squirt oil in the back of the pistons. Really nice. Help keep things cool. But yeah, that's what I got going on there with that. Another little video for you guys. Hopefully soon I will start working on the chassis. I have some stuff to do over here. I have to mount a I'm going to mount my flex fuel sensor right here in here somewhere. I'm going to figure that out here in a little bit. I'll probably make another video just for that. Yeah, it's a mess. Working on stuff. It's crazy. Other head, if you're wondering where the other head was, it's in the wash tank over here. It's dirty. I'm cleaning it up. I'm going to try to extract the broken stud out of it. But yeah, just a little video today, guys, for you. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment below, hit that cowbell. And if I get 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to twin turbo the car. So y'all do that. Tell your friends. I'll see you guys later.